Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare SDIV with SPHD. In this video I'm going to focus on expense ratio, holdings, what kind of fund overlap there is, and also backtest performance, so you will learn it all. If you have any other ETFs that you want me to compare, share it down below in the comments. And if you want to learn how we can make money with ETFs, what you can do is to click on the link down below in the description, and I created a course. So without further ado, let's start. SDIV, SPHD. First thing first, expense ratio and each year. Each year is different, and expense ratio is higher with SDIV comparing to SPHD. That means that, let's say that you would invest $10,000, you would pay $59 with SDIV. On the other hand, with SPHD, you would pay only $30. When we go further, we can see that SPHD is winning when we look on assets under management and average daily volume. 19 million comparing to 6 million, and 2.9 billion comparing to 900 million. And then we see the underlying index, which is different, and we see that 52 holdings comparing to 99. Now when we look on both of these, what we can find, I'll get it also here. This is SDIV. SDIV, when you would scroll down below, let me show you, you see sector breakdown, real estate, financials, energy, materials, consumer staples, country breakdown, China, Hong Kong, Russia, a lot of these countries. So that's pretty much it. Now here we see only financials, in that it's also real estate. And you see plenty of international companies. On the other hand, with SPHD, you see consumer non-cyclicals, utilities, financials, healthcare, consumer cyclicals, and even those companies are quite different. Now let's see something and let's analyze how much they are overlapping. So SDIV with SPHD, find overlap, we see that they are overlapping only by 4%. That's not much. Now, you see only 3% of SDIV 1999 holdings are also in SPHD, and only 6% of SPHD 50 holdings are also in SDIV. So when we go further, we see those companies, right? But let's look and let's analyze how well it's performing from backtest performance. SDIV versus SPHD. And let's say we are going to invest $10,000 initially, and then we are going to invest $500 monthly, and we are going to reinvest the dividends. So analyze portfolio. And we see that with SPHD, we would make, by what is that, 41,000 more? Yeah, $41,000 more comparing to SDIV. Now we can clearly see that when we look on these numbers, there wasn't a single month, single year that SDIV would outperform SPHD. It's important to say. You can see it every single year. 20 to 13%, 20 to 4.54%, and not only focusing on the dividends, but also on the growth of the markets. And when you look on the dividends, that yes, many times the dividends were better comparing to SDIV. I mean, comparing to SPHD, you see the dividends were really great. But when you look on the growth of everything, it's really important for me to like combine those things, because like if you would start investing into SDIV and SPHD at the same time, you would make more money with SPHD by $41,000 if you would start investing into both in January 2014, right? You can see it right here. And you see clearly that many times, like 2019 was really great for portfolio, and $5,000, which is amazing dividend. And all dividends and distributions were reinvested. But you see it right here that the dividends were better. So this is pretty much it. I don't know what else to show you, and this is what I would like share with you. SPHD is focusing on completely different companies comparing to SDIV. So they are overlapping in US companies only. And if you like international companies, SDIV is a good choice. But again, expense ratio is higher, the assets under management lower, average daily volume lower. Yes, the only benefit of it is that it's international and you got higher dividends. This is SDIV comparing to SPHD. You see 4.89 comparing to 8, 4.07 comparing to 8 or 26. So you see it is different. So yeah. Dividend growth history right here. And yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm just like reading stuff here. Hmm. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.